What's up guys, it's me Eric B and welcome back to the channel. Had to get a quick workout in before I started working on a bike, but I finally got the GPR stabilizer in, so let's check it out. Alright, and here she is. Got the nice gold color. Hopefully it matches the bike pretty good, but I did get the version 5, so it looks really good. Here's all the parts and everything that come with it, so let's go on ahead and get her on. So some of you are probably like, why do I need a stabilizer on my bike? Well, the 1000s usually come with them from the factory, and a lot of the 600s do not, especially the R6. So you want to prevent front end high-speed oscillations, or better known as tank slappers. Yeah, those can be super sketchy and cause you to crash. So why not have peace of mind and a little bit of insurance and get yourself a stabilizer on your bike? All right, so like I said before guys, this should be a super easy install. And basically what you're gonna do first is you're gonna remove this tank bolt right here. And then you're gonna install the, I think this is called the frame mount, and it already comes with a bolt. So once you get that removed, go ahead and get this in and then leave it, you know, kind of loose. Don't tighten it up or anything just yet. All right, next thing you want to do is go ahead and get the base plate mounted. So you're going to need to remove the caps right here. All right, once you remove those caps, it'll reveal these two hex screws here. You go ahead and pull those out and then go ahead and mount your base plate. Go ahead and take your base plate there, line it up on there like so, and they supply you with bolts here to replace the other ones with, and they come with nuts on the bottom. So do take note that if you're using the stock clip-ons like I am, you won't need the nut that's on the bottom of this, but if you have aftermarket clip-ons, you're going to need to put the nut on the bottom of this. All right, and I'm not gonna really tighten down anything until I get everything in line and how I want it, and then I'll go ahead and start tightening everything down. All right, so the last thing will be to actually get the stabilizer on, and it does come with some bolts. Then stick those in there, get her on there. And this is why you don't wanna have this tank bolt tightened up, because you gotta be able to line this up inside of the notch here. And also guys, there is a bolt right here on the side. You also want to make sure that that's loose as well. All right, lastly, you can go ahead and put those caps back on there if you still got them. Cover those bolts back up, make everything look good. And yeah, just also note that the kit does come with instructions, so if you want to use those, you can. And then basically all you want to do is just make sure everything is tight, everything's good to go, and then going ahead and check the handlebars. And forgot to mention, make sure that this stabilizer is on setting number 1 while you're getting this all together. And then when you're all done, you want to go ahead, move the handlebars back and forth, make sure there's no interference or stiffness or anything like that that might be binding, and then go ahead and kick it up a couple notches. Then check it again, and you should start to notice some resistance from setting 1. Kick it up to like 6 there, all the way up to 8. Oh yeah, on this one you can definitely tell there's some resistance there. Get all the way back down to 1. Yeah, and then it's loose again. So there you have it. All right guys, that's it. So super easy to install. I hope this video helped you out if you decide to get one for your bike, and I'm loving the way that this thing looks on here so far. If you have any comments or questions, be sure to leave them down in the comments section below. If you're new to the channel, be sure to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.